I am Siddharth Mehta. This is the lecture of Digital Fundamental. In last lecture we studied the error detection and correction method. In this lecture we are going to start Boolean algebra. Okay, so now we are changing our topic. Now we will study the Boolean algebra. In Boolean algebra, first of all we will study the logical gates. Okay, first of all we will study the logical gates, and gates are always deal with different type of inputs, means signal. So first of all we have to know what is signal. Okay, so first of all we will study the signal, then classification of signal, and then we will move towards the logical gate. Okay, if you are defining the signal, then signal is known as one type of physical quantity. Okay, signal is known as one type of physical quantity which contains some information. Okay, what is the definition of signal? Signal means, or signal defined as any type of physical quantity which contains some information. Okay, so this signal contains some information and it is the function of one or more independent variable. So it will change according to one or more independent variable. So if you like to know in short, then signal is termed as some physical quantity which contains some information, and that we will transfer from one computer to another, then it is known as signal. If we will study the classification of signal, then classification of signal is given as analog signal and digital signal. Analog signal and digital signal. Here I mention the analog circuit and digital circuit, means the circuit that deals with analog signal. Circuit that deals with analog signal is known as analog circuit, and circuit that deals with digital signal, it's known as digital circuit. Okay, so you have circuit available. If you are operating that circuit with analog signal, then that circuit is known as analog circuit. If you are operating that circuit using digital signals, then that circuit is known as digital circuit. Okay, now we will study first of all what is the analog signal and what is the digital signal. Okay, first of all this is for analog signal. Okay, analog signal is continuous with respect to time. Okay, first characteristic is analog signal is continuous with respect to time. It means that at any instant of time its value is available. It means that at any instant of time its value is available. Now we are trying to study this from this figure. Here you can see that this waveform is continuous. Okay, at any instant of time you can get that value. Okay, let's say I like to find value at this point, then I will simply find by here. If I like to find the time at here, value at this time, then I will simply put straight line and find this value. So you can see that given signal has any value, every value at any instant of time, એટલે ગમે instant of time એ મને value મળશે. Okay, and it is also continuous with respect to time. So this is the example of analog signal. Okay, this is the example of analog signal, and the circuit which deals with this type of analog signal, that circuit is known as analog circuit. Now we will study the digital signal. This is the digital signal. Okay, digital signal means it is the signal that use the represent data as a sequence of discrete value. Okay, it is signal that use represent the data as a sequence of discrete value. It means that this signal is not continuous. You can see that it represents the data in form of discrete value. Okay, it represents the data in form of discrete value. Here you can see the other example of digital signal also. Okay, here you can see that this is not continuous. You can see that two values are available in form of digit. Okay, here this is the representation of signal in binary code form. So you can see that 1 0 only two values are available. Okay, so this is the representation of signal in form of discrete value. Okay, why? Because you know that value of this. Okay, so this is the example of digital signal both. Okay, this in this figure the signal is in form of discrete value. જો કન્ટિન્યુઅસ નથી, પેલા એનાલોગ સિગ્નલ છે ડિસ્ક્રીટ ફોર્મમાં છે, એટલે પર્ટિક્યુલર ઇન્સ્ટન્ટે મને એની વેલ્યુ ખબર પડે, અહીંયા પાછું ન હોય. બરાબર, સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓફ digital signal, and the circuit that deals with digital signals is known as digital circuit. Okay. Now we will move towards the logical gates. Okay. As I explained you earlier that we have to apply this digital or analog signal to some circuits. Okay, we have to apply it to some circuits, and according to characteristic of that circuit we will get the output. Okay, we will get the output according to that circuit. Now the design of that circuit is according to us, and most basic form of that is known as logic gate. Okay, એટલે કે આપણે જ્યારે ઇનપુટ સિગ્નલ હશે કોઈક સર્કિટ છે બરાબર એને આપશું અને એ અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક ઓફ ધેટ સર્કિટ વી વિલ ગેટ આઉટપુટ. ઓકે, તો જે બિલ્ડિંગ બ્લોક છે લેટ્સ સે આ સર્કિટ છે. ઓકે, એને આપણે ઇનપુટ આપશું, આને ઇનપુટ આપશું એટલે કંઈક આઉટપુટ આપણને મળશે. ઓકે, ક્યુ આઉટપુટ મળશે તો કે એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક ઓફ ધીસ સર્કિટ. આ સર્કિટ મેં જે ડિઝાઇન કરી હશે એની કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક પ્રમાણે ઇનપુટમાં પ્રોસેસ કરીને આઉટપુટ મળશે. સો this circuit is also known as basic building block. Okay, this circuit is also known as basic building block in digital circuit. Okay, this is also known as basic building block. Okay, અહીંયા આઉટપુટ કેવું મળશે તો કે એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક ઓફ ધીસ બેઝિક બિલ્ડિંગ બ્લોક. અને જો આ મોસ્ટ બેઝિક બિલ્ડિંગ બ્લોક હશે બરોબર તો એને શું કહેવાય તો કે ઇટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ લોજિક ગેટ્સ. Okay, it is known as logic gate. So logic gate is basic building block of digital circuit. Okay, so we are starting to construct a circuit using the different logic gate. Each logic gate has its own characteristic, and according to our need we are using single or make combination of it and get output. એટલે જ્યારે કોઈ પણ આપણે સર્કિટ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરવી હોય બરાબર ત્યારે મોસ્ટ બેઝિક બ્લોક કયો છે તો કે લોજિક ગેટ. હવે એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ અવર નીડ આપણે આ લોજિક ગેટનું કોમ્બિનેશન કરશું અને આઉટપુટ જે ડિસાઇડ હોય એ ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. ઓકે, હિયર યુ કેન સી ધેટ this is the input, this is the basic building block and output. This basic building block is basically known as a gate. Okay, here you can see that relation between input and output is based on certain logic. Relation between input and output is based on certain logic. It means that here input and output is based on certain logic, and that certain logic is performed by this basic building block, and this basic building block is known as a gate. Okay, now mainly three basic gates are available. Mainly three basic gates are available. That are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These are the most three basic gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And each one of has its own characteristic. Okay, sometimes we like to do addition of input, sometimes we like to do multiplication of input, sometimes we like to invert the input. Then according to need we will use these gates. ક્યારેક આપણે એવું થાય કે ઇનપુટ હશે બરોબર સર્કિટના એનું એડિશન કરવું હોય ને આઉટપુટ જોતું હોય. ક્યારેક એવું થાય કે ઇનપુટ્સ હશે એનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન જોઈ અને આન્સર જોતો છે. તો એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ જે નીડ હોય આપણી એ પ્રમાણે આ ગેટનો યુઝ કરવાનો. ઓકે, સો ધીસ આર ધ મોસ્ટ બેઝિક ગેટ્સ યુઝડ ઇન ડિજિટલ સર્કિટ. ક્યારેક એવું થાય કે પહેલાં એડિશન જોતું હોય ને પછી એનું ઇન્વર્ઝન કરવું હોય તો આપણે આ બંને ગેટ અથવા તો ત્રણેય ગેટનું કોમ્બિનેશન કરીને પણ સર્કિટ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરી શકીએ. પણ મોસ્ટ બેઝિક ત્રણ જ ગેટ છે બરાબર: એન્ડ ગેટ, ઓર ગેટ એન્ડ નોટ ગેટ. ઓકે, સો બાય કનેક્ટિંગ ધીસ ગેટ્સ ઇન ડિફરન્ટ મેનર્સ વી કેન પરફોર્મ મેની એરિથમેટિક calculation like addition, subtraction, inversion, multiplication, etc. Okay, so by connecting these gates between the input and output, let's say I have two input A and B, this is output. I like to perform addition of A and B, so this circuit or this basic building block has to perform what? Addition. ઓકે, મારે એ બીનું એડિશન જોતું હોય આઉટપુટમાં તો મારે આ કેવી રીતના કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરવું પડે તો કે આ બેઝિક બિલ્ડિંગ બ્લોક છે એને એડિશન પરફોર્મ કરવું પડે. તો આમાંથી એડિશનની કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક કોની છે તો કે ઓર ગેટની. સો આઈ વિલ યુઝ OR gate as a basic building block. Okay, so this is now clear by you. Okay, and the relation between input and output of gate represent in mathematically by Boolean expression. Okay, this is also important definition of Boolean expression. Relation between input and output of gate represent in mathematically by use of Boolean expression. सेम एक्जाम्पल कैरी करिए बराबर. तो अँ y है आ a b है. I am using OR gate, so it will perform the addition. So I can say that y equal to a plus b. y equal to શું થશે? a plus b. So this is the mathematical expression of OR gate, and that mathematical expression is known as Boolean expression. Okay, that is known as Boolean expression. Okay. Okay, this is the classification of gates. In your screen you can see that first is most basic gates. Okay, basic gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. It means that they not require any gate to perform this operation. Okay, first is AND, OR and NOT. These three gates are most basic gate. Remaining gates are making using combination of this basic gate. એટલે આ મોસ્ટ બેઝિક ગેટ છે બરોબર. યુનિવર્સલ ગેટ, સ્પેશિયલ પર્પસ ગેટ છે, આ અલગ અલગ ગેટનું કોમ્બિનેશન કરીને પ્રોડ્યુસ કરવામાં આવે. Okay, so these are not known as most basic gate, but these gates are combination of these three. Okay, second one is universal gate. This is NOR gate and this is NAND gate. NOR gate and this is NAND gate. Okay, NOR gate is combination of NOT plus OR. Okay, NOR gate is combination making from combination of NOT and OR. NAND gate is making by combination of NOT and AND. Okay, then special purpose gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, હવે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે બધા સ્ટેપ બાય સ્ટેપ બધા ગેટ્સને briefly study કરવાના છે. ઓકે, so in next lecture we will start from AND gate. Okay, so in this lecture we are completing this topic. Okay, thank you.